Hello, and welcome to the AI Wellness Universe, your space to grow, to thrive, and to lead in the world of holistic health, empowered by AI. Today, we're answering a big question, one that confuses a lot of wellness entrepreneurs. What's the difference between a website, a landing page, and a sales page? They sound similar, but each one serves a unique purpose, and knowing when to use them can totally shift how you attract and convert clients. Let's break it down. Let's talk about your website. Think of your website as your online home. It's where people can get to know you, see what you offer, and explore your world. It usually has multiple pages, like a home page, about, services, maybe a blog, and a contact page. Websites are designed for browsing, they build credibility, and help people discover you through Google or SEO. Bottom line, your website invites people in and lets them get familiar with you at their own pace. Now, let's shift over to a landing page. This is where things get focused. A landing page is designed for one goal, just one. It could be to download your free guide, register for a challenge, sign up for your email list, or claim a free consultation. There's no menu, no distractions, no extra fluff. Just one message, one action, one next step. Use a landing page when you want someone to take action fast. It's clean, it's simple, and it works. This is important. Let's move to the sales page, the closer. This is big. The sales page is where you guide someone from, I'm interested, to, yes, I'm in. It's more detailed. It tells a story. It shows the transformation. You usually see things like benefits, pain points, testimonials, a breakdown of what's included, like pricing, a strong call to action, like buy now or enroll today. A sales page is like a wellness consult, but in writing. It connects, it inspires, and it converts. So let's pull all this together. Your website is your home base. Your landing page is your focused invite, and your sales page is your online closer. Each one plays a role, and when used together, they create a powerful journey that turns browsers into buyers and followers into clients. Inside the AI Wellness Universe, we give you everything you need to build all three without the overwhelm. Pre-built templates, no code tools, and smart AI to guide you step by step. So whether you're launching something new or just getting started, we've got your back. Let AI help you help more people. Thank you. Till next time, take care, and I'll see you in the AI Wellness Universe.